In this video, we're going to take a look at one way of playing the chant, Fill Me with the Sound of Om. Now in this chant, there are two chords, F major and C major. So before we move on to the chant, we'll do a quick practice of switching from F major to C major. So let's play 8 downstrokes on F major and then on C and then back to F. Now let's try playing the chant. Now the chant, it starts on F major chord and the words are fill my body, fill my spirit, fill me with the sound of Om. So on the first Om, we'll switch to C major, then fill my body, fill my spirit, fill me with the sound of Om. On the second Om, we'll switch to F major. So let's try playing and singing along.